How to fix notifications problem. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix notifications problem on Facebook. It's so easy and quick, so let's start first and go to your Facebook app, and here on notification icon click there. Now if you have a problem and you don't find your notifications like this, all you need to do is click on those three lines, click on the setting icon beside the search icon, and here click on notifications. Go down and click on other notifications, and to just keep clicking and see if your the kind of notifications you want are not off. For example, those one, make sure that they are all on if you want notifications, of course, on your Facebook. And this is it. If this does not work, all you need to do is go here, click on help support, and click on report a problem, and now click on report a problem, and click your and write your problem that your notification is not working. So this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.